high-performing team theory, you can look at a lot of research out there, but academics have identified 8 typical types of work all high-performing teams do, right? From things like organizing workflows, to auditing the type of work, to helping each other, to being innovative, pushing the status quo, to selling what we do in terms of for resources and so forth. High-performing teams typically perform these 8 key types of work. Now, here comes the kicker, is essentially based on our personality, the person, based on our personalities, we actually have different preferences for performing these different types of work. So some members are more motivated by organizing and doing type of work, and some individuals might be more motivated by pushing the envelope and the status quo and innovating, right? So it's about understanding how individuals come together to make sure we deliver those 8 key types of work to be essentially that high-performing team. So understanding what the team is motivated by, what they're not motivated by, and what we're likely to be focusing on to get better at versus to avoid doing as a team. And also what this really can help you with is understanding where there's likely to be things like conflict in a team. So if one person's the auditor, right, we audit our type of work, and another person in the team is, let's say, the innovator, well, they're not necessarily going to see eye to eye in terms of how work should be done. And so you can almost predict certain levels of conflict based on individual personalities and work preferences. Of course, not all conflict is bad, right? So what this can also help with is different types of constructive type of conflict, right? So creating that variability around these 8 key types of work might mean there's conflict, but if managed right, can actually lead to a lot of different ideas, innovation, and across the team for different opinions and different views. And this is where you can really, it might take a bit longer, Nathan, to come up with these ideas, but this is where diversity of thought really comes to mind.